Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see the new features of the Windows 11. So the Windows 11 is now official. So as per the Microsoft announcement, Windows 11 stable version will be available on the October 5. So in case if you are a Windows 10 user, you will get a stable update. So for that you have to go to the Windows update, and there you can able to see the Windows 11. And in case if you didn't see, means you can also enable the Windows 11 update by just going to the Windows Insider program, and there you can able to choose the insider settings. So I have already posted a video regarding the Windows Insider program. So once you actually registered to the Windows Insider program, so just select the release preview channel. So in the release preview channel itself, now the Windows 11 is officially available. So you can download that. It's almost 100% stable, and as you see here, this channel is actually recommended for the commercial users, so you can use that more safely. Well, I am actually using the developer channel, so I am just checking that new version of the Windows 11, and the version I am currently using is that so this is the version I am currently using. So the OS build is 22,468.1000, but you will get some of the earlier version, so that will be more stable, and this is also stable only. So in case if you want, means you can also choose that by just going to the Windows Insider program and just register for the Insider program, and just select the developer channel as a insider settings. So once you have selected, now you can able to experience new features of the Windows 11, and it is also almost stable only, but it completely depends upon the configuration if you are using. So in case if you are using a laptop, means so that will be a more critical thing, and apart from that, if you are using a higher configuration of a desktop, means might be that will be more stable. Well, now let's see on the Windows 11 new features. Well, firstly let's talk about its design and the new interface. The new Windows 11 is actually completely new in terms of design. So as you compared with the Windows 10, now you'll get a new UI interface design. As you see here, the taskbar icons are actually moved from the left to the center, and you can also again move to the left also. There is also some of the option, so you can just go to the taskbar settings, and there here is the option taskbar behaviors, and here is the taskbar alignment. So once you tap on the left, all the icons has been moved to the left. You can also customize this, but the center is also looks good, but you have to need a practice. So in case if you are already a Windows 10 user, means but you have to practice for usage of the start menu in the center. And then there is a new acrylic material design. So as you see here, the context menu are actually designed in the acrylic material, so that means it's a transparent in view. So as you see here, now I'm just opening a file explorer, so I'm just right clicking here. So after that, you can able to see the different backgrounds. On the left side here is a dark background, and on the right side, so here is a transparent. So the context menu is actually designed the acrylic material, and it's fully transparent. And not only that, so all the menus are transparent. So once I am just click the start menu, so it is also designed in the acrylic material, so it is also transparent, and also you will find a rounded corners in all four sides. It actually looks like a Mac OS. So totally the design is actually completely changed in the new Windows 11 operating system, and as you seen here, the transition also looks good. So I'm just tapping here, so there is a slide out from the right side, and there is a new connectivity options. All the transition all looks good. So even I'm hovering on any opened programs, the preview is also designed in the rounded corners, and that is also comes with the acrylic design. So that is also comes with the transparent in design. So overall, in terms of design, it actually looks good, and the transition also looks good. It's more faster. Now the next feature we are going to see is the virtual desktop, which is nothing but the task view. So this is a task view. So now you can able to create a multiple desktop, so like this, and you can also rename the desktop as per your wish. So first I am just renamed as a school, and I can use that as a work, and one more desktop I can use that as a personal. So like that, you can customize the different desktop, and you can able to use these different desktop as a different set of work. So you can categorize the work based on your wish, and also you can able to change a wallpaper for the each desktop as per your wish. So I'm just selecting this. Yes, Now after that, so this school has a one type of wallpaper, and the work mode has a different set of wallpaper, and you can able to do the different set of works in the different desktop. So like that you can able to create a multiple desktops. It is actually looks good, and also you can able to move the programs from one desktop to another desktop. For example, I am just opening the Chrome application here. So after that, so I can able to move this Chrome application from one desktop to another desktop. So in this virtual desktop, for example, in the school desktop, I am using a totally 3 programs. In case if I want to move this program to the work desktop means, so just right click that and click on the move to and click on the work, and now that particular program is actually moved to the work desktop. So in the work desktop it will be actually available. So like that you can customize, and also there is a dedicated keyboard shortcut also. You can just simply press the Windows plus tab key. So by tapping this you can just click on the different desktops. Now the next feature we are going to see is the snap windows. It is a really a good feature for the multitaskers to improve their productivity. So once you have actually hover your mouse to the maximize button, you will see a different layout for the snap windows. So you can able to use up to 4 different programs in this 4 different layouts. For example, I am just opening a 4 different programs. So already I am opened File Explorer, and then Microsoft Store, then a Google Chrome browser, and I am opening a calculator application. And one more thing is that these snap windows will not work for all the application. In case for a third-party application it will not work. So that is the thing. And clicking on the 4 layout snap windows, I am just clicking on the top left, and after that you can able to choose the different layouts for the each sections. So like this. So now you can able to use the 4 different programs at a time. So it is a great for the multitaskers. You can easily able to use all the all the 4 programs at a single time. It will actually improve your productivity instantly. And this multitasking feature is already available in the Windows 10, but in the Windows 11 it is more efficient and smooth. Now the next feature we are going to see is in the Windows 11 operating system. So the Teams app is actually pre-installed, and it is actually located in the taskbar itself. So you can easily able to get the Microsoft Teams, and you can easily chat with your favorite one. You can able to connect the meeting, and you can chat with everyone. And also this time you can able to use the Microsoft Teams in the all the different operating systems like Android, iOS, and Mac OS, and Windows. In all the different operating system you can able to use this Microsoft Teams. So it is actually available in the taskbar itself. You can easily connect with your loved ones easily. Now the next feature built on the Windows 11 operating system is the widgets. So here is the option called widgets. So now the widgets will not open a separate window, so it will actually opens in a transparent window. And also this widgets option will actually works in the all the different programs. In case if I am actually open the File Explorer also, so that time also I can easily able to open the widgets. And it is also built on a acrylic material, so based on the programs the background design will actually differs. And after that in the widgets option you can able to customize your personalized informations, so like weather information and some of the stocks related news. And you can able to add a widgets like a to-do sections, so all the task the recent task you can able to access in the widgets, and some of the personalized information as per your wish. And also you can customize these widgets in the profile section. So here you can able to personalize your interest, and you can also add some of the widgets, or you can remove some of the widgets as per your wish. So this widgets option is actually slides out from the left side, and it's also more fast and smooth in transition. Now the next feature is the start menu. So now in the Windows 11 the start menu is actually moved from the left to the center. So you can also move back to the left also. There is an option I already talked about. So in the start menu, now the start menu it's actually well organized compared to the Windows 10. So you can able to pin what are all your favorite programs in the pinned section. So it is actually well organized. So here is a pinned programs, and here is a recent opened programs, so that is all recommended. And here is a user section. You can change a user as per your wish. And here is the sign in option, and update and shutdown, and update and restart option. So like that. So the start menu is actually well organized. And also here is a type to search option. You can instantly type your related files or some of the other programs like that. So the start menu is actually well organized. So the start menu is also having that acrylic design, so it's having a transparent background design, but it depends upon the wallpaper you have chosen. So for example, in the personalization, in case you have selected the darken theme means you can able to experience that acrylic background design in the all the context menu and the start menu and the widgets like that. But in case if you have chosen the lighten theme means you can't able to see that acrylic background design. Now the next new feature that Microsoft brings in the Windows 11 is the Android apps usage. So yes, you can able to use the Android apps right from the Windows 11 operating system, and so for that you have to install the Amazon App Store. But the thing is that still Microsoft is not unveiled the Amazon App Store in the Microsoft Store. So in the first copy of the Windows 11 operating system, you will not find the Android apps usage feature because the Microsoft still not released the Amazon App Store in the Microsoft Store. So I am currently using the developer version, but still now I am not getting this feature. In case this Android app feature will be available in the 2022 first quarter only as per my guess, and Microsoft is still not unveiled that. So in case if you are actually installing the Windows 11 means, so currently you can't able to use the Android apps in the Windows 11 operating system. It will take some time. Still for the developer version it's not available. So the next thing we are going to see is the settings option. So in the settings menu, as you seen here, the main settings is totally having 11 different main settings. So it is a Windows 11 operating system, so you'll get 11 different main settings. So the settings option is actually well organized this time. So as you seen here, so all the option is actually organized superbly. So it is the settings option is totally different. So in the Windows update, the Windows Insider program is actually inserted inside the Windows update itself. In the Windows 10 operating system, you will get a separate option for the Windows Insider program, but now the Windows Insider program is actually organized into the Windows update itself. So like that, totally all the settings option is actually organized differently, so you can see multiple sub options like that. So totally these are the new feel of the Windows 11 operating system. Overall in this Windows 11 operating system, you can able to feel the new elegant look and smooth transitions, and some of the new features is also in addition has been added. So now what are your guys thoughts on this Windows 11 operating system? Now what your favorite feature in the Windows 11 operating system? Let me know in the comment section below. And that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.